Ebusia, come with me again, oh, come with me again. Wisham Waha, you know exactly what we are coming to do. Another filler, NAPM. Now, NFL no, is going for the media team of Concerned Youth Alliance for no. This message is going straight to all of them. So please listen to it carefully. They are planning, and there's a plan going on with respect to what they want to do to intimidate a couple of people. What do you say? They want to intimidate a couple of people. Actually, Omar Tri said they will get some information here and there to nail some of them down. But the more they try, the more they fail, and the more they do things, the more they fail. You can go full video. We'll be back. Busia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Now, I have a brilliant news for all of you out there. Now, kudos to everybody out there. Your comments and everything, I like it. And I believe strongly, say, you guys are enjoying what is going on. Couple of people come to my comment section, and some of the questions they are asking is very funny. But it's fine. Myself, Kwekwanan, and other people will continue to do a yeoman's job to expose people who are not supposed to be hanging around our country as Ghana. We'll continue to expose them vis-a-vis all the things that they are doing that they are not supposed to do. We'll expose them bunch of times on this platform. Now, when you join me here, Kase Fila Ebusia. Now, intimidation. Why am I mentioning this 3 times? There is a plan, allegedly, to intimidate people who are on the forefront of this Let Niger Go. Okay? There is a plan orchestrated. People are planning. Okay? Allegedly, I was called a while ago by my informant that they had a plan of doing that. Okay? And who are they targeting? They are targeting few people that are on the war front. And I spoke to one of the guys a while ago. I said, my brother, this is what I'm hearing. He said, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and spill everything out. So I'm going to go ahead and drop everything. There is an alleged plan to intimidate Ghana boy. Okay? Ghana boy, Nyash. And Nyash, Mr. Nyash, I know you're also doing a lot of videos on TikTok. There is a plan to intimidate these 2 guys. Okay? The whole plan here is being masterminded, and they are thinking of how to handle it. Okay? Now, when Ghana boy took Barrister to the police station, arrested, and was about to send him to court, you guys know exactly what happened, right? After that, there have been series of allegedly meeting where they are planning to find whatever they want to find to just scare Ghana boy and scared Nyash from making videos about self-styled Igbo leader. Okay? For me, I've said it, say, I'm not going to call him a king because he's not a king. Okay? According to information we are hearing and according to what we hear and what we know, he entered into Ghana and started from Nungwa. So some of us, we know when he entered into Nungwa and how he began and all that. One day, we're going to enter into that and we're going to explain all those things that happened. Okay, so we know that. Now, these are the 2 people they are planning to intimidate. What they are trying to do here is to find a means to go after these 2 gentlemen. Okay, because they know that apart from these 2 gentlemen who are doing videos about them and talking about them and following Dr. Hassan Ayariga here and there and other people, they don't have other means again. So all they are thinking is this. Okay, let's scare these people by making sure we find issues that they have said before to nail them down so they will also keep quiet. So they are in the plan of scaring, or they are in the plan of intimidating Ghana boy, Nyash, and other person that the name is not yet clear. But I've spoke with a couple of people already. So I am here to tell you guys that whatever their plan is not going to work. Okay? Whatever their plan is not going to work. Now, these are what the things they are doing. I told you there's one guy that was working closely with what do you call the name of this guy, or what do you call a barrister in the Volta region. That guy has been advised to go after these 2 guys and look for avenue opportunity, information about what to do. There's one guy also. There's one guy also that talk about this self-claim acclaimed Igbo king. Okay, his name is Mega. Okay, Mega also, they are targeting Mega also, because Mega has also been doing more videos about this, and he keep posting on YouTube. I say YouTube. Keep posting on TikTok, or keep doing live streaming on TikTok. There's one other guy also, DJ whatever. The media team, they are going after the media team one after the other. So this is the information I'm getting. Now, they have tried everything. They have laid all the plan. People have been sent out there to go look for information, but they couldn't find any. So they will come at you on the street, as in trying to provoke you guys. So let me just say that Ghana Boy, Nyash, DJ, and Mega, please, when you see anybody or any Nigerian, okay, any Nigerian, at least trying to offend you, or you are on the street and you see any of them trying to offend you, or trying to do something that will make you angry or something, it's a plan that they are putting across, making sure that they will get you guys to commit yourself into something, and then they will get access to use that commitment that you did to be pulling you. So please, let me advise all of you, just be on your guard, okay? Just be on your guard, because they are using people they know in the media circle, okay? They are using this PRO guy to be doing all this dirty work. The last time I revealed to you guys what they are doing and what they are planning to do, and the media team they are forming, okay? They're going to form a strong media team to fight this, because the reason is that Chukude or Chuks know that his days are numbered, okay? When you see somebody fighting like that, his days are numbered. So he's trying everything under the sun to scare people. And the first target was Ghana Boy, because they know that Ghana Boy was very hard. The first day he spoke and he exposed these Nigerian guys in Ghana, showing where they are working, where some of them are hiding, where some of them are doing 419. He spoke a lot and said everything, and he said if he's called to come and give evidence, he has all the evidence about all that. So these are the things that they are doing. They are working under G. And so let me say that you guys have to prepare yourself very well. Emotionally, they will come. Physically, they will come. Spiritually, they will come. They are using all the means they have to use to come at you guys so that they will get you. But I am here to get you guys all the information. Thank God that anytime they plan something, anytime something is going on, anytime something pop up, anytime they have a sit-up plan, or anytime they make a plan, I get the plan. It is easy because God is on our side. The problem here is the problems in Nigeria is bigger than the people in Nigeria. You understand what I'm saying? The problem is that the issues that are going on in Nigeria right now, with Christians that are being killed, are being pie and all that, Charlie, it's not easy. And I'm telling you, their plan is to make sure Ghana will also run into such problems. That is what they are looking out for. But trust me, at the end of the day, they will fail. I'll find time and come and do a video about what is going on in Nigeria. I've been investigating all that. I've been getting videos and what is going on. How people are being pie out there. It is very, 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 very alarming. And when you hear Dr. Hassan Ayaga saying that very soon the Biafran war will start again, it is true. Because what is going on now is catching up in the world, where you have a whole minister or a whole opposition leader in Canada coming out to say that what is going on in Nigeria is something which is an eyesore. Okay, now instead of somebody like Chukude that said he has money, and all the people, all the Igbos that are living in Ghana, instead of them to go back there to go and fight what is going on, they are rather running towards Ghana. Why are you running, my fellow people? Why are you running from your responsibilities? Why are you running from Nigeria? Can't you stay and solve the problem that is going on there? Stay and solve the problem that is going on in your state. If you all run away, hell scatter to a plague, instead of you to stay there, rather to peacefully work, you go and throw yourself about. And for you, you are throwing yourself and calling yourself name. You see what happened when somebody from Ghana by name Kofi or Fair or whatever go to Scotland and be calling himself Kubala. He has been arrested. Now, I have 3 questions I want to ask. Those people that were arrested, they have been charged and they have been sent packing, right? From the bush. Why is Chukwude walking? Why is Chukwude freely walking in Ghana? When you talk, somebody will say ECOWAS. What are we gaining from ECOWAS? What are we gaining from ECOWAS? That's the question. So here, what I'm saying is that these guys should be arrested and sent. If you think that you have married a Ghanaian, so you have the right to leave, I'm telling you, it is not true. If you travel to America and you married an American citizen and you disobey the rules and the regulations of the Republic or in America, they will throw you and strip you of your citizenship. So, but for you, you are not even a citizen. You are not even qualified to be a citizen at the end of the day. So, you are not a Ghanaian. And I don't understand why John Mahama want to keep you. Perhaps, like I said, allegedly, government officials are getting something from this issue. Let me tell you, NDC, MPP, they are getting it. The last time I saw a video, who did I saw inside? General Mosquito was there. I saw Namwanska was there. I saw the chief imam was there. This guy has bought everybody. And I'm saying that if we don't wake up, we will wake up one day at the wrong side. Kudos to one person that have done so well to stop this guy from celebrating his Yam festival. Ni Taki Teko Churu II. God bless you, Ni. We need you to keep your foot down. Okay? Now, again, I want to say something. Ni, please, if you can do more, you have already instructed him to stop holding himself as a chief or as a king in Accra. Do one more thing. The only thing you can do for us is that it was the people, some of the chiefs in Accra, that went there to crown this guy, whatever it is. It is about time. Ni Teko Churu II. You have to do some sacrificial stuff to tell this guy never to call himself again a chief, a leader, whatsoever in Accra. He can go to Nigeria to go and do that because you are the overlord of Accra. Ni, please, we are begging you. If anybody is listening to this video, I want you to share this video to Ni Teko Churu II. Okay? Ni Teko Churu, the all Gamanche, the overall Gamanche, send it to him and tell him that some of his people, young ones, are saying that Ni, we don't want to live to fight this fight later. Please, let's war now and get this guy out. He can walk on the street and call himself's name. So before I leave, I mention names and let me just go ahead and mention the names again. They are trying to frustrate, threaten, and put Ghana Boy and Nyash and Mega, also and DJ. These are the people that are posting more videos about self-styled acclaimed Igbo king. So they are coming at you spiritually, physically. They are coming. They will try to torment you. They will try to do a whole lot of things on your pages, trying to put your pages in trouble. But hold it tight. Physically, they will try to make sure that they will send people on your way to get you angry. So you comment 1 or 2 offenses and they will use those offenses against you. So hold it tight and don't do anything crazy, guys. Let's hold on. Remember, before I leave, I want to say that thank you to all of you. Continue to support this page. Continue to push for this page. Continue to comment below. Continue to subscribe. And I want all of you to be members of this community. Very soon we'll be doing live streaming. So all of you can come in and come and share your thought and your mindset. Somebody asked, Top Gossip, how are you getting all the information? I've told you, in Ghana, if you need information, all you gotta do is you gotta spend. Listen, all you gotta do is you gotta spend. Have you guys asked yourself how Kevin Taylor is getting information? Put yourself together and spend. When you spend, you get all the information you want. That's a pure.